Hello and welcome to this video. This package here is the first that I received from Italy. It was kindly sent to me by Marco. Here is his YouTube channel, Nagilum Lockpicking. Great guy. I contacted him because I wanted to make a trade with an Italian lockpicker, and I was actually looking for the VIRO marine padlock that I've seen recently in one of Bosnian Bill's videos. So I asked him if we could make a trade, and yeah, that's the package he sent to me with the marine VIRO padlock and another goodie he told me. So let's open it up and see what he has put inside. Alright, no damage to the box. Alright, package material. Oh, it's empty. Okay, that's information to the marine padlock. And that's the goodie. That's Corbin. He told me that he loves Corbin padlocks, so he sent me one of the locks that he likes. That's very nice. Oh, what a nice and shiny padlock. Look at that. Cool. Inox Springs Corbin. Corbin, Italy. Yale type keyway. Let me zoom in. Wow, that's a great lock. Really impressive. Let's have a quick look to the key. Nice bidding. Not really wild, but not too bad. Cool. Very nice. So thank you very much. Alright, so let's go to the main apps. Yeah, here's the VIRO. VIRO made in Italy. Great. It's not too bad keyway, not too bad for picking. And here are the keys. Oh, nice bidding. Deep cut at 5. Oh, what? 1, 2, 3, 4. Deep cut at 4. Shallow cut at 5. So really good bidding. Yeah, that's the padlock I wanted. So great. Thank you very much, Marco, for the trade. Awesome guy. Just asked him, and he was really nice and helpful and responsive and really great. So Marco, I really appreciate you sending me these two beauties. I hope my package will arrive soon at your location, and yeah, stay tuned for some picking. So thanks for watching and happy picking. Bye bye. So as little addendum, let me pick this beautiful Corbin lock for you. Hello. Before I pick it, let me give you the info that is printed on the package. Bright chrome plated solid brass body, chrome plated brass shackle, stainless steel springs, brass pins, anti-pick mushroom drivers in brass, brass anti-pick pins, so this will be interesting, rubbering for weather protection, double locking shackle in nickel plated brass, and pericentric profile. Alright, it's locked up. I have picked it before 3 times, and yeah, it's a very enjoyable pick, so hope I can repeat this on camera. So tension on the open side of the keyway and use the Sparrow shower hook. So light tension, 1 is springy, 2 slipped into place, 3 is binding, got it set, work my way to the back, nothing. And I think it was 3 again, touched it and felt into a nice deep fall set. Okay, I think this is 4, binding and giving feedback. I think I could set it, but lost my full set, got it back. Another spool or mushroom. Got it set, lost my full set, got it back. And now 1 seems to be binding. So now let's check 1. Not sure if I set it all the way it needs. Maybe. And open. Was not set quite right. So yeah, beautiful lock, very enjoyable picking of it. Corbin. So now we can get the keys free and try them. Didn't do that before. Ah, beautiful. What a beautiful, beautiful lock. Alright, thank you for watching, and Marco, thank you so much for these locks. Really great. Alright, thanks for watching, happy picking, and bye bye!